Good morning, everybody. Justin here from It's Good in the Woods. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Today we are doing the Cooking Collaboration Part 2, the Breakfast Edition. We're dropping the deuce. I'm sorry I'm recording inside, but we have a pretty nasty storm going on. It's super windy, really rainy, just kind of miserable out. So I'm just going to try and truck through this inside. We have 7 channels involved in this cooking collaboration this time around. We're all coming at you with something different. There's a lot of campfire cooking going on here. And if you're into that sort of thing, check it out because there's a lot of good stuff going on here. We have Our World Outdoors, Time Out to the Trail, HAWKEYE Hikes, Nights of the Trail, Jason Outdoors, and Southwest Ohio Adventures. There's one more. That was 6. I feel like we're missing one. This right here is our very last ham steak of the season. Good thing it's just about time to slaughter some pigs because we're running out of ham and bacon. New Zealand spinach. Cheers, guys.
Right here. There we go.
The eggs are overcooked, but oh well. Not complaining. I'm fortunate to be eating this.
There you go.
We got a nor'easter blowing in. I can hear the wind. Can you? I'm sure you can. Of course you can. Those fire roasted peppers really stick out. Yummy. Our last ham steak of the season. Cooking over a fire, it's always fun. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Go check out those other channels, please. They're good people. Look at that. Yummy. Be thankful for what you got, guys. Talk to you later. It's good in the woods.